All right, guys, thank you for tuning in. Today is, for me, a historic video. It's video 100. I started doing this videos, I want to say 2.5 years ago, roughly. Maybe a little bit longer. Now it's been maybe 3 years ago. Yeah, it has been over 3 years ago. That's true. So I have a little bit over, I have 100 episodes. And thank you guys for being part of it for so long. I will continue doing what I do, but if you haven't subscribed yet, I would really like for you guys to subscribe, and I would like for you to turn on notifications and keep following us and liking our videos. I have worked really hard on this house and we're getting actually pretty close to it. I would like to say that provided that I have the funds and the time, I should be able to be done with renovating the entire house by the end of the 4th year, which would be about 10 months from now, but maybe even less. But we are going on a trip this summer, as we usually do in the summers. So there's going to be about a 2-month break on this. So see you on this next project, which we take our 100-year-old wood that we got for free, and we make a bedroom for my daughter out of it. So I'm beginning to frame out where the bed and stuff is going to go, and again, I've had this wood that is maybe even 100 years old. I don't exactly know, but it's pretty old, that a church gave me. They were throwing it away after dismantling some shelves, so I picked all of it up. I'm talking about today's prices. It would be hundreds and hundreds, if not over $1,000. Anyway, so here's what it looks like. So the idea is that obviously the bed is going to sit in here, and then I'm going to build it up to here, and then have shelves going all the way to the top with possibly a light shining down that way. The bed is going to go here. It's all going to be painted white. And then there, I'm thinking of doing like a half wall, and then putting a little bit below the top of it, putting a desk all the way across. And so there's a little ledge for my daughter to put things on, and then a computer and homework and that kind of stuff goes there. But the reason I wanted a half wall, not a full wall, is so she can still get a little bit of the light from that window in there, because that corner is a bit dark. everything done that I needed to do. I need to just wait for things to kind of dry up. But here's what I've done. Finished adding up the shelves. That shelf down there that is white doesn't matter because I'll paint everything white. But I put a half shelf so I can open this and it will go underneath and it will still have some space to fit a hand to pull it back down. So that's the idea behind that. I went ahead and used wood putty on everything. The only exception is right there. I haven't done these screw holes because I'm considering of maybe pulling it up just a little bit more so it'll be a bit more of a comfortable fit, because right now it's kind of digging in. So I was thinking about adding maybe a couple of inches, which means if I do that I have to move this too. Anyway, I'll think about it a little bit more and see what I'm going to go ahead and do. All right, it's Monday morning and I have started painting a little bit the bedroom furniture that I built. I'm not done building all of it, but I've been starting to paint a little bit because I know it takes more than 2 layers. And I haven't done any of the edges or anything, but here's what it looks like right now. So obviously I touched the wall a little bit accidentally, but it's okay. I'll figure that out. I'll fix that. And then I did this side. I haven't done this side yet because that wall is going to go in front of it, and I don't know if I need to. I did forget to record. I'm sorry, but I'm going to go and start touching up all the edges now. Alright, and to finish up what I have done to close this week, again, thank you very much for tuning in. Here's what we did. Finished up the desk. There's still a little bit of trim that I need to do here at the edge, but I put in a shelf there. Once I get her some, maybe computer or something, I'm not sure, it depends. I might add a little bit more to it, but this is it.